Hi, my name is Leanne Brown. I am a journey person esthetician and a nail technician. I am co-owner of Slate Aesthetics Lounge in Regina, Saskatchewan, as well as the educator at the Style Academy. I am chair for beauty therapy for Skills Saskatchewan, and I am a national judge for Skills Canada. Being an esthetician is very rewarding. You get to make people feel amazing and great every single day. You could be an educator, a sales rep, services. You can work on movie sets, doing makeup, manicuring, body treatments, waxing, lashes. You can be a business owner. There's so many different things you can do. It's really up to you. I love this industry, and it has offered me so many amazing opportunities and so many experiences that I will never forget. This year, we're excited to bring you the Beauty Therapy Challenge. This is a class challenge. You will be provided with a manicure kit with instructions. In the instructions, it says the purpose of this challenge is to perform a basic manicure with a freestyle nailer design on yourself. Before and pictures will be judged. In your kit, you have an acetone bottle, you have a hand soap, a top coat, a nail polish, a cuticle solvent, cotton pads, massage cream, hand sanitizer, a little oil, 2 orange wood sticks, a buffer, a file, Ziploc bag to hold everything, and of course, your instructions. You want to hand sanitize your hands with the hand sanitizer, shape and file all your nails with the first hand using this hand file, and you want to make sure when you're filing, you're going from one side to the next. You do not want to seesaw. If you seesaw, you'll rip up your nail bed and you'll have peeling when your nail grows out. So make sure you go from one side to the next and the other side to the next, joining lightly in the middle. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take an orange wood stick and your cuticle solvent. You're going to take that flat part of your orange wood stick and you're gonna scoop it out and you're gonna place it on to the cuticle. You're going to place the hand into the bowl to soak, and you're gonna repeat that on your second hand. You're gonna take out the first hand and you're gonna push back your cuticles with the flat part of your orange wood stick, and you're gonna push back to loosen all that dead skin and make sure that you have it all nice and clean so you can have a really nice paint job. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to dry off your second hand and you're going to repeat. You want to make sure that the length and shape of the nails are exactly how you want them, making any adjustments if needed. You want to make sure all the nails are uniform. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to use your buffer, and you're going to buff all the way around the nail bed, making sure that it's nice and smooth, and you're going to remove all the shine. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to use your massage cream, and you want to perform a hand and arm massage on yourself. The next thing you're going to do is take your acetone and one of your cotton pads, and you're going to clean your nail bed really good to make sure that there's no oil, and you want to make sure that you get under the free edge and clean it as much as possible so that you have no oil left on the nail beds from the massage cream. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to use your polish and your orange wood stick to create a custom nail art design. You can have some fun with this. You can take out some polish and you can do little dots. You can do little leopard print dots. You could do zebra spots. You could do abstract designs. You can do paint half the nail. You can do some full nails. It's really up to you, and this is the challenge. So you can have a lot of fun. You can practice with your paint on a piece of paper with your stick. And you can also practice with yourself because you have more than enough to do more than one manicure on yourself. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you let it dry, and you're going to use this top coat over top of your design to get that nice high gloss shine. You're going to let it dry, and then you can use this cuticle oil to put on all around your skin and then rub it in. The next thing you're going to want to do is take some pictures to submit it for the challenge. Good luck and have some fun.